Hey Bulldogs! In this video you will learn how to correctly set up an APA references page. Like the Works Cited page, a references page should be the last thing in your paper and it should be on its own page at the very end. The title will be References at the top and it should be centered. It's not References page, it's just References, just like this. From there, similar to a Works Cited page, you're going to want to highlight all of your information just like this and put it in hanging indent. To do this, you go to Format, Align and Indent, Indentation Options, go to this drop down box right here under Special Indent, click Hanging, and then click Apply. So all that's going to do is move these lines over after the first line. And it has to look like this, but it also makes it easier to read, which makes it easier to catch mistakes when you're proofreading. From there, you want to make sure that the formatting of your references page matches the rest of your paper. So you're probably writing in Times New Roman 12-point font, and it's probably also double-spaced. So basically, this needs to look like the rest of your paper. So if you wrote in Times New Roman 12-point font and it's double-spaced, then that's what needs to be happening here, and so on and so forth. From there, you may notice that the citations are alphabetized based on the author's last name. If for some reason you couldn't find this information, then you would move on to the next piece of information to compare the citations to one another and put them into alphabetical order. So typically for APA, you shouldn't have a problem finding author names. You may notice something that's different from MLA is that the publication year goes right here after the author names, just like this. And you're also going to want to italicize journal names, so not article titles, but journal names, and volume numbers. So what's in the parentheses right here is an issue number, and that does not have to be italicized, but the volume number does. So you're going to want to go ahead and do that for all of your journal titles. Just kidding. Italicize and italicize your volume numbers. Just like this. Once you have done this, you should be good to go for your APA references page. It's in hanging indent, it's alphabetized, and has references at the top and is centered. If you have questions on how to correctly set up APA citations, please see our video on how to do so. Have a good day, Bulldogs.